Rava Laddu. Take a jar, add 100 gram of sugar, add 2 cardamom, grind it to make a fine powder. Transfer it to a plate. Take half copra, remove the outer skin, grate the copra and keep aside. Take a jar, add 6 to 7 tablespoons of grated copra. Grind it. Transfer it. Mix well with sugar powder. Keep aside. Now heat a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add 7 to 8 cashew nuts. Fry till golden brown. Take it to a plate. For the same heated pan, add 200 gram of chirotti rava or fine form of semolina. Fry for around 20 minutes and you will get a pleasant aroma. Switch off the flame and transfer it to a plate. Add sugar and copra mixture. Add fried cashew nuts. Add 6 to 8 raisins. Mix well. Pour required warm milk. Mix well again. Now take handful of the mixture, press gently and make small balls. A traditional sweet Rava Laddu is ready to taste. For more variety videos, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website www.rightclickcreations.com. Thank you.